Hey everyone, this is Cindy Emmy, and today I'm going to be doing a very quick unboxing. I've been waiting for this for an entire month. I bought this with birthday money, and it decided to come the day that I had to get a bunch of dental surgery. So I waited until my mouth is at the lowest point of, like, it's still a tiny bit numb, but it's getting really dark outside and I didn't want to lose all the light I had. So I'm still a little numb and my mouth hurts, so I'm going to do this as fast as I possibly can. So I turned it upside down, so it might be upside down in the box because I didn't want to put my address out on the internet. And ooh, I'm shaky. Yeah, so it took like forever and tracking was like horrible. It didn't track from Italy. It apparently was supposed to track from like Maryland or somewhere, but it like would only tell me that it needed to be shipped. It wouldn't tell me that it had shipped until I got a thing saying it was delivered. Okay. Ooh. So I've seen no unboxings for this online, but I have seen one English review. I already assumed it was gonna hurt because I've had things threaded before and it always hurts. So this is Colibry. It is a hand done epilating threading thing. So let's get into it. Don't want to actually rip the box. They're very little areas. Okay, so it's a revolutionary concept inspired by ancient technique of threading epilation, which guarantees efficiency and satisfaction. No batteries, no noise, low pain, but still pain. It's designed in Italy, assembled in China. Okay. Ooh, so it comes assembled. Alright. So it has a little guide, and from the video. Wow. It's both easier to use and it's got a different feel than I thought it would, but I quite like it. And I'm not going to use it on screen, but I am going to do a review later. Oh, my mouth. And shakiness. Should not have done this on the day I had surgery, but I want to use it so it gives you the do's and don'ts products. Alright, I am going to use this for like a month and then do a review. I apologize this is so short, but my mouth really hurts. I'm really dizzy and I am very shaky. So I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.